For tonight, we'll be checking out Cebu's best pork chop. Is it? Let's try out.
I think it all came back when I was looking back at you. Oh, how I've missed
I'm with VJ Jade and VJ Joyce. Two of them.
Did you breathe me in? If you would only know that you in my air for every second, everywhere I go. So why are we hiding in these crowded places? 'Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. We've been so polite, we didn't say a word too much. We hid behind the daylight while I was longing for your touch. We never let the other in, 'cause we were scared to fall back into the old habits. But we will, yeah, we're on the track. So why are we hiding in these crowded places? 'Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. We hiding in these crowded places. 'Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces.
Just eating the best pork chop in Cebu at the Brown Cup here in what road is this in Cebu Business Park. What road is this? I don't know. Pescadores? Anyway, the pork chop tastes like pork that is chopped and seriously, it tastes good. You can feel that a taste of a home cooked meal with a hint of pesto and butter. So you should try their pork chop at only 100. How much was that? 130 pesos, and that's it. So we're headed home. Bye for now, guys.